Once again, dancehall entertainer Spice is at the top of her game with her brand new single Tape Measure that is causing a stir online. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. After being crowned Queen of the Dancehall at Reggae Sunfest 2022, Spice is not easing up off the dancehall scene and has so far released a new song entitled Tape Measure. This song has been creating a buzz online, and there have been a number of videos of the actual action of the measuring tape being used to portray the actual measurement of the male private area, surfacing in a number of YouTube, TikTok, and also Instagram videos. Spice is no stranger to creating a buzz around the release of her music and still continue to be one of those dominating female force within the local dancehall space. The official video for the new track was just released just under an hour ago and has so far racked up over 13,000 views. The dancehall entertainer also took the time to thank her fans, who she classified as her besties. Besties, we've got this. #1 album on the US reggae iTunes chart in less than 1 minute as it dropped. Thank you so much. Just because of this, I dropped Tape Measure official video, so go and watch. That was what she posted on her Instagram account. So the dancehall entertainer then completed her post and did a follow-up post, and this is at Spice Official. I just want to take this opportunity to say I sincerely apologize from the bottom of my heart. With all due respect, it was never my intention to all the men out there who is going under pressure because of my new song, Tape Measure. So if you have a small, you know what, please just sit in the back until it's your season. Thanks in advance, she posted on her Instagram account. However, we're going to review the song that was just dropped on the official music video right now, right here on Links 007 TV. So let's go over to that. Well, a very good start to the music video. You see the flames there, and there you have the dancer star herself, Spice. So let's see how this music video, I must say that the music video quality is very good as always as it relates to Spice videos. She always tries to put her best in putting out these videos. Quality up there as always. So let's see what's to come in the video right now. So there you have Spice with her Tape Measure, and this is actually the hit of the song with the whole entire thing with the tape measure. So you're gonna have a whole lot of tape measure throughout this actual video itself. So we're gonna see what Spice is up to. So there you see Spice taking her measurement and actually just doing her thing with the tape measure. As you could see, a white dude there coming about, Spice using her tape measure as well, and a number of other things that's just been taking place throughout the video herself. So Spice have her dancing girls in the background as well, and it's just one of those videos that I must say Spice really have always put herself at the front of her game in creating wonderful videos to just go along with her songs, and this is no other than one more that she has created with her moves within the song itself, and also just the video itself to correlate with the song. So there you have Spice there again once more showing herself within the video itself, using her tape measure, the hook of the song, the whole entire concept of the tape measure that surrounds the song is the thing that is giving the song the buzz right now. And I must say that it's a real good music video, very clean with all the aspect of a music video that one would think that Spice would include in her music videos. Great dance move from the female as well, skill, showing their acrobatic skills as well, and it's just one of those videos I must say that we're really hoping that this will be one of those videos that really cements Spice once more as the queen of the dancehall out there. As you could know, Spice doing her thing as always, creating a name for herself within the dancehall space. Tape measure being used again in the video, which signifies the remnants of this, and this is the hook of the actual song itself. There you see them rapping in their Jamaican colors as well, acrobatic skills being shown once more. So it's just a great video. So you can just go over to Spice, check out the full video. Now we're gonna go over to Spice album launch as well, where she shares some stories about that right now.
Thank you, Quartet. I want to scoot over this side a little bit. Is it too packed up in here? So everybody can see me? So everybody can hear? Oh, we got a lot of...
Anyway, you know if it's aggressive north, y'all. All right, go.
What's up? Period. I'm here for my friend Spice.
And you came early for the first time?
I came early for all the times. She always telling me a fake time so I can
Emancipated. Oh no.
Emancipated outright, motherfucker. Now y'all better down.
Yes, you know your voice? Yeah. Emancipated album. Yeah, we did the album launch. You know what time it is. The Queen is here. Emancipated free. For the past 10 years, they don't know the thing go. Let's celebrate, baby.
Yes, baby.
Stars the music video, she and Yandy. I don't care if you've been drinking, you're my friend. So if you're drunk, you're my drunken friend. When you're sober, you are my sober friend. But you are the star for this music video, so I have to call you out. This is your star. I can finally say to you, I'm free, I'm emancipated, and you guys are celebrating. So I just want you to...
Links TV. Entertainment with a difference. Subscribe now to Links TV.